we have given curves. So first I will draw the graph. We have xy plane. Our first curve, y squared minus 2 equals x, is parabola. Because we have y squared, our parabola is symmetric about x-axis. So let me put for y equals 0, we will have x equals negative 2. And because we have here given curves y equals negative 1 and 1, so I will have to find the value of our first curve for negative 1 and 1. So for y equals negative 1, we will have negative 1 to second power is 1 minus 2 is negative 1. So for y equals negative 1, we have value x equals negative 1. And for 1 will be the same situation, will be negative 1. Our parabola is symmetric about x-axis, so we can draw our parabola. This is y squared minus 2 equals x. Our first curve. The second is x equals e to power y. So in this case we have exponential function, and because we have x equals e to power y, the graph will be in the first and in the fourth quadrant. For y equals negative 1, x will be e to power negative 1 is 1, e to power negative 1 is equal 0.36. So we have here 1, 0.36 will be approximately here. For y equals 0, the value will be 1. And for y equals 1, we will have e to power 1, so it's 270 something, so it's approximately here. This is our exponential function, x equals e to power y. And now we have y equals negative 1, negative 1. And we have y equals 1. This line is parallel to x-axis. We got now area. This is our area, which we have to calculate. Our interval is from 1 to negative 1. We will integrate with respect to y. So our area is equal integral from negative 1 to 1. Now from the right function we have to subtract the left function. So the right function is x equals e to power y. So we have to put e to power y minus, and the left function is y squared minus 2. with respect to y. So this is equal. We have integral from -1 to 1 e to power y minus y squared plus 2 dy. So this is equal. Integral of e to power y is e to power y minus integral of y squared is y cubed over 3 plus integral of 2 is 2y. And we have integration limits from -1 to 1. So this is equal. Now first we have to plug upper limits. So 1, we will have e to power 1 minus 1/3 y to third power. So 1 to third power is still 1 with plus 2 times 1 is 2. Now we have to subtract the lower limits. So we have e to power -1 and we will have minus 1/3 -1 to third power plus 2 times -1. So this is equal e minus 1/3 plus 2, and we have minus e to power -1. We have -1/3 times -1 to third power is -1, so negative times negative will be positive, and because we have negative sign, so will be -1/3, and we have -2 and negative sign, so will be plus 2. So this is equal. We have e minus e to power -1, and we have 4 minus 2/3 is 3 and 1/3. This is my solution.